It was just a couple of days ago that Microsoft publicly introduced its super handy combined Office app to the Google Play Store. The app packs Word, Excel, PowerPoint, DED tools, and a variety of features into a single app instead of forcing you to download a separate one for each utility. At the time, we wondered why the app wasn't on iOS, but now it seems the Play Store may have simply jumped the gun. Just 2 days later, the app is now available on iOS and Microsoft has officially announced the app's public availability. Just stay home or mingle with the brightest minds in tech. On June 18 plus 19 attends and Microsoft first announced the unified Office app in November, when it opened a limited preview for Office insiders. Since then the app has gained support for templates in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Team Apple also gets the bonus of dark mode support, which is not yet available on Android. As a recap, the app encompasses Microsoft's 3 biggest Office apps, but also includes a variety of features, including quickly jotting down notes, which can sync with the Windows 10 Sticky Notes app, scanning text from images in Call. You can read full post on Cryptophans News, link available in text below.